Hey, do you want some of Haker's snacks?
NY to LA with it. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side.
Alright, we just pulled up. Dirt Chicks. Got the one wheel out. Zach and Danny are all hanging. Just cruising in, baby. Let's go.
Let's get it.
What's up, dog?
What's up, brother? Let's do a tour, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Danny's all fired up. This place is huge.
Load the sheets up right here. It feeds it in.
Young Daniel's just fascinated. He's taking it all in.
There we go.
From the laser.
So right now, he's cutting like another 700 or so. And we got another 600 that we have to go. Next part that I'll show you. But this is all. So, got Western, Rocky Mountain, Motorsport, all these guys are going out the door today. So,
The finished product.
yep.
And the free sticker they throw in every single box.
Every single one. Yeah, let's do it. So all black zinc. Those guys right there, super strong.
It's your favorite one right there. Danny's all fired up. They're hooking them up. They're hooking those up. These guys are too good.
Look at that.
Man's hooking it up with some engraving here. Good? Alright, we just finished up at the Dirt Chicks spot here in Reno. They hooked me and Danny up. We got all the goods. We got the front sprockets, the rear sprockets, sprocket tools. With the custom engraving too, they hooked us up. Threw our names on there for us. So thanks again to Zach and everybody in there. They're hooking us up, and yeah, go check them out, guys. These things are legit. They last long, they're strong, and they look great. Just getting some bike work done before Donner here at Austin Serpa's house. He hooked the boys up. Got a sick little shop here. Getting the race room all set up. After that, we got front sprocket. Got some icy discs. Got this little pressure washer for there. We're gonna be all iced out. Shout out to Raw Distributing for hooking it up with some fresh bars. Ben just said at the last race, so we're back with some fresh bars. Thanks, Royal. Get that fresh no-toe filter. Get the fresh Dirt Tricks. Shout out to Zach, he hooked it up. What else do we got? XC gear with the fresh bar ends. And the nice bar mounts. Things starting to look good. Now all it needs is some Lime 9 graphics and should be ready to race. Alright, we're up. It's Friday. Kind of got rocking a new look for this weekend. Trying to give Max the cowboy a little run for his money. But we're stopping in at Walmart. Gonna grab a few select items and then we're headed out to Donner. Thanks guys for tuning in on another episode. God, he's trying to kill me. Hop in, we're going racing, bud. We're going racing. Let me in, man. All right, me and Danny, we just made it to Donner Peaks, whatever it's called. We're getting all fired up. We're going to walk a little track.
It's hot.
What's the weather like, Dan?
It's hot. Real hot.
It's hot. Walking some track with Danny and Tim. We got some live water on course here. Flowing this year. Straight up through the SXS banners. Danny's signature move. Oh, he's gone. No way he gets him. No way he gets him.
Every time.
Every single time he gets him.
Every time.
What are we working with here?
Working with a Komodo dragon. You see,
What are you
he's
gonna name
just
this
a baby.
one?
I don't know. He's got a little fucking something hanging off down there. You see it?
Oh, he's a male.
Yeah, he's got a little package on him.
Race day morning. Me and Dan Julio, 9. Driving to the race site right now. We're gonna go walk a little bit of track, go watch some amateur stuff, and then 2 o'clock is race time. Let's go. We're on the Lucas cam right now.
Lucas Cam. It's dialed.
We're dialed in, grabbing our pit can. I wasn't really liking the pit spot. I was up here in the sun, and it's just not good vibes, you know. So I'll go down there where the crowd is, all the action. So we're going down there.
What's up with that, guys?
What do you mean? Oh yeah. Wind's blowing my hat up. It's howling out here in Donner. We're getting ready for the main event. Did my walking off sections. See Lucas out there. Hopefully I'll see Lucas out there getting a pull or two. Maybe swap some paint.
Yeah. You gotta show me the lines, dude.
I'll show you the lines. I'm all ready to go. Danny's doing the light. I'm ready to race. Lights set up. Goggles set up.
My jeans, they fitted. But look who's he is so far from the timid. The reason I'm rich, cause I had to go and just fix my percentage. You know that I'm winning. My white girl got black on the nigga, no head up there. One drop side, one drop down. I was doing the team, they make sure I'm not in line. Excuse my wake up, don't make money on the side. 2500 on my shirt with the tags.
Hey, good job. Let's go, Spenny.
Yeah. You gotta help me though. If I get stuck, wait there, and if I get stuck, you gotta help me. Wait, hold on. All right, ready? Yeah. You better help me, Tim. Yep. Yeah. Sorry, Tim. Sorry, buddy. Dude, your tire's stiff. What's that?
Stay inside if you can. Get some drive. You can make your way all the way across up to there. Back
Over there, you say?
yeah, that's everything. That's one to go back.
Hold on. Yeah, Milky. Stay up.
My boy Spenser! Yeah. Beautiful. Good shit. Good shit. Atta baby, atta kid. Good job, Spenny. Atta boy. A stud. Atta boy, Danny. Good job. All right. Slow and steady, buddy. Yeah. Nice. You good? Did you blow your nose yet, pal? Hey, are we still gonna hang out with those pool chicks tonight? Yeah. There you go. There's that blow. There you go. All right, let's go. Let's go. Hey, do you want some of Haker's snacks? Yeah. You good? I need to catch his head. Go get him. Go get him.
All right, guys, we just finished up the pro main here, 3.5 hours long. We did about 30 miles in 3.5 hours. It was pretty gnarly. Bike held up pretty good. I had my boy Zach from Dirt Chicks and Noah out on the cams. They were getting some clips, so we'll throw those in. But yeah, I actually I don't know when, but I got a hole in my clutch cover. There's some oil down here, and I came back to the pits and swapped this one on, and then yeah, my bike wouldn't start after, so I bump started it, and then finally got it going, and then from there on out I went back out, and I think we finished off around 10th. So wait for the results to come in and see how we did. Thanks guys for watching the vlog. Don't forget to check out shop.alden.com and grab yourself some merch. See you guys in Silver Mountain in a week.
NY to LA with it. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side.